The goal of this game is to prevent as many trash as we can from going from landfill to the ocean. Now we can prevent that by buying the towers, and we can buy them through the coins. And right now we have 400, so we can buy 200 air bubble tower by clicking on the button and then dragging and dropping the icons. Now when it gets placed, the towers discharge their bullets and they biodegrade the waste. So right now, this air tower has its own acceleration. It starts fast and it gets closer to the target and it slows down. Now when we look at the right column, they have lives, points, and coins. So we start with the 30 lives, and as the waste reach to the end, to the ocean, the lives decrease. The points, when the game is played, the points increase as the time goes by. And when we hit the waste, then more points increase, and when the waste hit the ocean, then points decrease by a little bit. When we hit the waste, coins also increase, and we can buy towers from these coins. Now we can, since it's over 400, we can buy the sun tower and place it wherever we want. Right now it is placed in the middle, and when it detects it, the sun tower actually goes through a sinusoidal trajectory, and it detects and then fires to the place that it targets to. Now when the waste passes all the way to the ocean, we can start the new round by pressing on S every time. Now I just press S, and now we can see this new waste called closed waste, and closed waste take 2 hits to actually disappear. So they're more powerful, and as the levels upgrade, the harder to biodegradable waste come out. The longest time on screen on the top, it calculates and it counts the time that the wastes are alive on screen. So whenever the record beats, it updates to a new longest time on screen. Now the earth is getting more and more polluted. And now that we have more than 700 coins, we can buy the air tower by clicking on the button. And then now we have access to drag and drop this air tower to wherever we want. Except it can't go at the path. So this water tower, when we look at it, it fires through to the certain direction and stops at certain points. This is where the range ends. So this water tower has its own range, and it disappears when it's out of the range. So as we can see, this longest time on screen got updated because there was a time that it was longer. Now I pressed S again, and there's a new waste, which is plastic. It is level 3 trash, and it takes 3 hits for it to disappear. So, and it also has a higher speed. It's harder to kill, so a lot of it is getting passed through the ocean. The lives are decreasing by a lot. Point is decreasing also. At the same time, it's increasing as the towers hit the waste. Now we have only 1 life left, and when it dies, the earth gets polluted and it shows the final point. We can press R to restart and then press space to start a new game. Thank you, and it was Project Earth.